Alright, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Sutefoto camera slider. This is a 19.5-inch camera slider. Been wanting to pick one of these up for a while, and it was a pretty good deal, so we'll go ahead and try it out. I have not opened it yet, so this is the first time that I will see it, same time you will. Oh, cool little case. Nice. I like that there's not really any, get rid of that. Not really any unnecessary stuff in the box. Nice self-contained packaging, great for cleanup. Oh, yep, figured there might be a plastic bag. Not exactly unstandard, but wow, really killing it on the packaging. There's really not a whole lot of extra stuff in there. Cool color too. I don't remember it being red in the photo. I don't really care what color it is, but I do like that it's nice and bright and easy to see. Looks like it comes with an Allen wrench for adjustments, although I don't know about you, but in my kit I already have an Allen wrench. Cool that it has a little level in there. Not sure if you can see that. Fancy, fancy. So that's it, the Sutefoto 19.5-inch slider. Frankly, it is bigger in person than it looked in the photos. Yeah, pretty neat. Looks like it has a thumb screw here, loosens, so it'll slide down the track. And let's see what it looks like in person, or in use. Be right back. It is a nice rainy day here in the Pacific Northwest, so I'm going to test this camera slider indoors on my Netflix setup. It's got pretty smooth action. I think it would help if you had a ball head with a handle, which I do not. But the action is pretty smooth. And there you go. And just so you can see what it looks like from the operator's standpoint. Nice and smooth.